Hey guys, have you ever wondered what's going on in the modern automotive industry? Have you wondered how these lights that they blinking sometimes with yellow, other times red, some other times white light comes out from the same light? Well, apparently it's very simple. Here I have the turn signal and also some other kind light. This is from Ford Mustang. And you see this assembly? Basically, it has actually two lights in it. Here's your turning signal, yellow, whatever. Maybe like this. And then there is white one in there. Okay? And they also have this empty space. They could put blue if they wanted to. And that's it. That's simple. Now you're wondering why all these new cars cost so much. Well, I'm sure that this assembly, if anything goes wrong in here, it's kind of repairable, but nobody's gonna open this and then glue together. They're just gonna sell you this whole part, which will probably cost you, I don't know, $200 maybe. And of course, this thing with these electronic components probably costs more than just a light bulb that you could replace in an old style assembly, which will never go broken, the assembly itself, unless you have accidents or something. And you would change, okay, let's say $10 light bulb. And if today this guy doesn't work, you're on a hook for, I don't know, at least $200 maybe, and more work, because take this whole thing out from the bumper cover and everything. So if you do it yourself, you may be, I don't know, how much this can cost? $150. And then bumper cover removal or something. And all of this versus just a changing light bulb. Man, the world goes crazy here. I think this is just crazy, honestly. Well, that's why we are paying $50,000 for our cars today. I'm done.